Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, a new week. New week because today's newspaper on a Monday, November the 29th, 2021, almost end of the month. We have here only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have here an additional with 6 extra puzzles. First puzzle is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, tectonic with 1 star, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku. There's also not so good news because today the evening lockdown is started. Yes. The evening lockdown, not a full lockdown, but the evening lockdown. Because all the shops, except the supermarket, must be closed 5 o'clock. Yes, at 5 o'clock. 5 to 5, yes, p.m. a.m. Anyway, we will see. This will be hold on, for 3 weeks. So not so good news for the coming 3 weeks. But first, we will solve this baby number 3751. Let me mark these numbers. 3751. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. So it must be easier than the 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan. How about? Let me see. Yeah. Alright. We have 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. We need to use another digit. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Another 6 there, so no 6 here. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. Cannot see. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Now I can count again, and all the Sixes are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then. How about? I'm thinking. 5, 6, 1. 3. 3. Interesting. 5, 5. Okay. Then we have look in this column. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 5 should be there. So what are those missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9. We have a 1 and an 8, 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So no row between them in the row. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. Then. How about? I'm thinking. How about? 5 and a 7. Yeah. 1, 3. 3 should be there. 1. 1 should be also here. Yeah. 4. 2. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. 3. Okay. Let me put some numbers. 1, 4, 7, and 4. Yeah. 2, 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Okay. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means that this row, we have a double 9 there. So this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the last row for the number 5, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Then. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. I believe this number should be a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7, 7, 7, 7. Then we have a 3 and a 7 there. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in that middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Same story with the 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places for the 3. Should be together with the 7 as a pair. 3 and a 7, that means 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9, that means these 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those. Then 4 and a 7 also. 4 and a 7. Think. How about 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So we need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay. 157. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 157, the 157. And look, we have a 5, 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this middle row for the number 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. And 1 box left in the middle row for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 7 and 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for number 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. This box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 3. Okay. 1 box left in the last column. Here we have a 7 and 8. So this box should be a 9. Okay. Okay. 4, 4, 4, and the 7. 8, 9. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 4, 4. 7, 8. Ooh, how about 7 and 8? 7, 8 and 4. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on. Let me put some numbers. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for 5. Could be here, could be there. Same for here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there, because we have a 5 in the first row. 5, 7, 4. 5, 7, 4. Okay. 7, 8. Here we have double 4 here. Yeah, 4, 4, 4. 4 and a 7. 7 and a 4. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. 9, 8. The 2 should be here. Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 9, 8, and the 4 is missing. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Think. 8. 8, 8. 7, 8, and 3 is missing here. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in... now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. I've marked this with 7 and 4. Now we have a 7 there, so this box will be a 4. And that box should be a 7. I've marked this box with 7 and an 8. Now we have a 7 there, so this box will be an 8. And that box should be a 7. One box left in this big square for number 8. One box left in this big square for number 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. One box left in the third column for the number... we have a pair, 8 and a 9. Okay, this box should be the 7 is missing. 7, 7, 7. 8 and a 9 are left. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between, only place for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. Here also the 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. 1 star, no. 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Oh, overlook this. 8 and a 9. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Wow, overlooked. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the Sudoku with 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle in the additional. See you then, bye bye for now.